App introduction. Welcome to the Let's Talk Now India app. This is India's best and #1 online English speaking app. In this video, you will come to know how to use the application and how to speak English fluently without studying boring and confusing grammar rules. First of all, search Let's Talk Now India in Google Play Store. Download and install the application. You will see this kind of interface. First of all, check your English fluency level simply by clicking on Fluency Test. After finishing the test, you will get your grade and system will automatically suggest you the recommended course. Moving on, there is the ABCD video option. These videos are great content to learn English fast. You must watch all these ABCD videos to know the actual process of language learning. Next is free course. Before becoming VIP student, we strongly suggest you to complete free English speaking videos because it's the engine to Let's Talk Now system. Next is podcast section. Podcast section is the MP3 audio format of the all videos, and there are lots of talk show, interviews and free speeches are available. You can see what our students say about us in the testimonial option. Then VIP student course. Finally, if you feel that by using this method you will be able to speak English quickly, easily and automatically, then only you can buy our VIP student course. In daily quote option, daily inspirational tips and word of the day are posted. In live webinar option, you will find the date and time of upcoming live classes and webinars. If you have any problem, you can directly ask from the Ask Amol option. Jobs Corner is one step towards finding the suitable jobs for the students. Currently, Jobs Corner is live only for Maharashtra region. In Members Card, you will find your online identity and membership card in Members Card option. Frequently asked question will help you to get your answers of all the questions well in advance. Still, if you have any problem, you can directly ask Amol. If you want more information about your trainer, you can find it in About Us section. Twitter and Facebook posts will help you to stay updated. There are other options like community forum, request call, poll question, eSwim, etc. etc. You can check them all one by one.